Hi, my name is Geoffrey and I am working on this robotic arm, and this is my first milestone video. So as you can see here, this is my power supply because I don't have batteries yet. And so I will be giving a demonstration of this robotic arm picking up this pencil. Alright, so here's an explanation of how my robotic arm works. This is a power supply, and it transmits power through these wires that are connected to the servos. Now, the servos are controlled by these 5 potentiometers, whereas although right now only 3 are connected because I have 3 servos. So what happens is the potentiometer, the Arduino Uno reads the potentiometers, and then it transmits a certain pulse width to the servos, which are controlled by pulse width modulation, or PWM. And so that's basically how it works, and the Arduino is powered by this computer right here. So basically we have here including the servo library, and then down here is initializing the servos, initializing the potentiometers, and then setting values for the potentiometers to read, and also the degree output for the servos. Now here we have attaching each servo to a pin, the output pin on the Arduino. And here are just basically setting each servo to the given degree, to a degree based on the potentiometer. Now basically what happens is the first step is the Arduino reads the potentiometer, converts it to degree form, and then sets the servo to that given degree through the servo library. Alright, so some of the problems I faced while building this project was that at first I tried to drive multiple servos from just the Arduino, which still didn't have enough current, so then I had to use a power supply. Another problem was weight calculation. So at first I realized that using a smaller servo wouldn't work for the elbow joint because there was too much, it didn't have enough torque. And third problem that I faced that was somewhat hard to resolve would have to be screws, because I couldn't figure out what were the best screws to use to mount the servos to the aluminum and vice versa.